Let us solve this question from the topic functions. So we are given two functions fx and gx. Fx is given as x cube, whereas gx is 5x plus 2. So the first question tells us to find g of fx. What does this mean? It means that for the function g, the function fx is now an input. This notation can also be represented as g of fx. This sign between g and f is of O, which signifies g is a function of f. So now we see that fx is the input of g. That means I'm going to write fx inside g, that's x cube. And we would replace x by x cube to get 5 times x cube plus 2. So our result is 5x cube plus 2. This is how we can find any function where its input is another function given. Now, moving on to the next question, it says find g, and in the power we are seeing it's written minus 1x. It's called inverse function, and we want to find the inverse of gx, inverse function of gx, which means that we are going to first write its steps, how we are going to find the inverse of gx. Step 1, replace gx as y. So we can say that y is equals to 5x plus 2. Now the second step is a very important step in finding the inverse function. Make x as the subject of the formula, which means that now we are going to move x to the left hand side and write it in terms of y. So we can say that y minus 2 is equals to 5x, which can also be written as 5x being equals to y minus 2. Further, x is y minus 2 by 5. So we have found x as the subject of y. Now moving on to the next step, step 3, where we would be replacing x by g inverse of x. And replacing y by x. So this resultant would be the inverse of function gx. Y by x. Thank you.